Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're taking a close look at what we believe to be the best teacher cutting board out there. If you're on the hunt for a thoughtful gift to show your appreciation for that special educator in your life, you're in the right place. Behold the Teacher Appreciation Engraved Bamboo Cutting Board, crafted with care and precision by Joelle's Picks. Let's dive into what makes this cutting board stand out from the rest. First off, let's talk about craftsmanship. Made from sustainably sourced bamboo, this cutting board boasts a level of durability that's hard to beat. Not only is bamboo known for its sturdiness, but it's also environmentally friendly, a win-win. And check this out, it's engraved right here in America. Each board is meticulously inspected to ensure top-notch quality. So you can trust that you're getting a product that's made with love and attention to detail. But what about functionality? Well, let me tell you, this cutting board is a dream to work with. Its generous size, measuring 9 inches by 12 inches, provides ample space for all your chopping needs. Plus, it's designed with 2 sides, one for decoration and one for food prep. And with a non-BPA food-safe varnish coating, you can rest assured that your culinary creations are in good hands. But perhaps the best part of all? The heartfelt message engraved on this board serves as a constant reminder of the impact that teachers have on our lives. It's a gift that's sure to be cherished for years to come. So there you have it, folks. The Teacher Appreciation Engraved Bamboo Cutting Board. The ultimate token of gratitude for the educators who shape our world. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the hottest products around. Until next time, happy shopping!